Hello friends, today I will show you how to convert a Kiwi file into a APK for Android. Okay, so first open you need for this you need a Linux PC or Mac OS, but I am using Linux K Ubuntu 18.04 64-bit. So first open you need Linux machine or Mac OS and bulldozer. So uh, bulldozer is a program which will convert the kiwi file into apk. So first installed in your pc. So to do this, just open. I want to convert this kiwi project into a android apk. So I have to install first bulldozer in my pc. I am opening terminal here, and first install these packages. Just paste this command, it will install all these packages. Then open the bulldozer dot and then just copy pip3 install bulldozer and then enter. I have already installed this, so that's why it is saying already satisfied. Now install this package, install this open and all this stuff. Just copy and paste this line in your terminal. Okay, and accept the license. Okay, so okay, first paste this command in the terminal. I have already installed, so I am skipping this. Then this is my project. So just I'm running this my project in my ubuntu pc. This is the simple game which I want to convert into apk. So now it is running in ubuntu, but I want to co convert into a apk. Now the command is, after all this installation, and the command is you have to make the bulldozer init file. To do this, just type bulldozer bulldozer init. It will make a bulldozer spec file. I have already mm, I have already this file, so that's why it is showing this error. You have already have a bulldozer spec file. So now edit this file. Enter the title of your app, package name, package domain name, source directory, and just include all these extension which you are using in your kiwi project. I am using py file .png .jpg .kb and etc. This is the version of your app. Just write your version. Requirements is python 3 and kiwi. You can put requirements here. I have only using python 3 and kiwi, that's why I am writing this two python packages. Now orientation in portrait mode, you can set portrait, landscape or sensor landscape mode. I am just choosing portrait mode, and full screen you can 0 means full screen, 1 means in full screen or not, you can set by 0 or 1, and that's it. You can change other things, just NDK version, SDK version, but I don't need this now. So after that, just type buildozer dozer dash v android debug and enter. Buildozer dash v android debug, it will download all these files in your PC automatically, Android SDK and NDK. Then you have to accept this license, which which the, which is written here, and it take first time it take 1 hour or 30 minutes depending on your internet speed and PC processor. So and so here I have already installed all these things, so that's why it is taking very small time. Now wait some time. Okay, after this, wait till the end, and after that you can collect the your um, APK from this bin directory. This is the your APK. Just put in your Android phone and install it. So okay, this is completed. See, is completed. One this build is successful. This 1 minute, within 1 minute to 12 second, and you had here is telling the APK is available in bin directory. So just collect from your bin directory from here and just install it in your Android phone. That's all. So thus you can convert Kiwi project into APK. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.